Welcome back. This is Sarah Beth with Pen Chalet, and today we're doing a fountain pen unboxing of a Laban Skeleton fountain pen in rainbow. Of the various Laban pens we recently added to inventory, this might be the most initially stunning piece. Let's take a good look. It has the typical Laban packaging with the white exterior box that slides off, and underneath you have their kind of a vivid blue pin box with their branding. And they do have a particularly nice gift box and has a slide out interior with the pin on a pin bed and a false bottom, under which you'll find a bookmark and more information about the brand and the pin. And you can go ahead and remove your skeleton from the exterior plastic sleeve and get a look here. The Laban Skeleton fountain pen features the 300 series pen model, and the interior clear transparent is an Italian acrylic resin. And then they complete this design with a brass overlay. And that brass overlay for this particular pen has a rainbow finish applied. The pen has an overall torpedo shape. It has a spring metal clip. And with its abstract geometric style overlay, it's kind of a hybrid between the traditional fountain pen design and the really popular demonstrator mode that has been seen more and more lately. That filigree cutout is just really beautiful. Each of the skeleton fountain pens is fitted with a German iridium stainless steel nib, and the skeleton fountain pens use a cartridge converter filling system compatible with standard international size cartridges and converters, and it does include a converter with your pen purchase. The rainbow coating on the brass framework is really stunning. I think you'll enjoy it. Thanks for joining us today, and shop your Laban fountain pens at penchalet.com.